Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create Stripe checkout page. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your preferred web browser and go to stripe.com. After signing in, you'll be taken to your Stripe dashboard. From there, navigate to the Payment section on the left panel. Under this section, look for Payment Links, a simple feature that lets you create links customers can use to make payments instantly. Click on Create Payment Links to start setting up your new checkout page. Here, first you have to select Type. After that, select your product for which you want to make checkout page. Once your product details are set, move on to selecting your preferred payment methods and currency. For more customization, click on Advanced Options. This area allows you to enable features such as shipping details, discount codes, and special checkout behaviors. When everything looks good, click Create Link to generate your Stripe checkout link. After the link is created, simply copy it and share it wherever your customers can access it, like your website, social media, or email newsletters. And that's it. So that is how you can create Stripe checkout page. So that's all for this video. Thanks.